Alright guys, here it is. We are inside my recently acquired 1987 convertible, and I am going to check the engine codes and see what I've got going on here. Okay, here we go. We're gonna see the service engine light flash code 12 3 times. So it just flashed it twice, so flash once, that's a 1, twice, that's a 2. So now I've activated reading. One, 2, 3. My code 13. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's my code 13. 1, 2, 3. 34. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 34. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next code. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So code 36. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is it. The next code will be a 12 saying it's ended. 1, 1, 2. Okay, so that's it guys. I have 3 codes in my L98 Corvette. I have a code 13, a code 34, and a code 36. And now I need to go see what these are. Alright guys. Today I am going to be removing my MAFS airflow sensor, and that's this right here. I'm getting 2 error codes, a 34 and a 36. A 36 is a little more vague, but the MAFS airflow sensor is one of the problems with that code, or one of the areas where you're going to troubleshoot. So since I have 2 codes and both of them involve the MAFS airflow sensor, I'm going to remove this and I'm going to clean it. You have to be very careful. The cheap ones have a problem communicating with your car. So this is a Bosch, this is a good one. I'm going to take that out and clean it with some actual MAFS airflow sensor cleaner. There's actually quite a few videos online about that, using that cleaner. So I'm gonna go and give that a shot, see what happens. My car is filthy. I haven't had any chance at all to clean it yet, but I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna show you where it's at, how to remove it, and how to clean it. So it's right here. There is a band here that I need to loosen, and I might be able to just take this off and then pull this out this way. I do not know if I have to remove that. I don't know yet. I'll find out. And there is a harness right down here. See what happens. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. Come on guys. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to be able to remove the mass airflow sensor quite easily this way. I'm going to undo this clip very carefully. And this isn't even tight here. I've been working on this. So I guess I'll just take the whole air cleaner out. I've got some problems here. Alright, now that the mass airflow sensor is out of the car, to remove it from the air cleaner box, you remove the two clips. And very carefully slide it out. You have to be very careful handling this. This is very delicate, very sensitive, and very expensive. Alright, I'm going to get this out of the way. It was pretty late at night when I went out to buy my mass airflow sensor cleaner, so all the auto parts stores were closed. Miraculously, Walmart had a nice little kit. They didn't have the full-size bottle of the mass airflow cleaner, but they had a kit with throttle body and intake cleaner and mass airflow cleaner, so that's actually perfect. I probably don't need a whole lot of this. You use a lot of the cleaner, but I probably don't need a large aerosol can. This is probably the perfect kit for me. And let's do this. From everything that I read, we're gonna clean the heck out of this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the outside of my canister is filthy. I'm gonna clean all that first before I clean this, because I take the chance of getting dust back inside of here. Okay, to clean this housing, I am not gonna spray this with soapy water. And that's a joke. Or is it water? I'm not gonna spray it on here. I'm gonna dampen a microfiber cloth. I'm going to see how this works. I'm probably going to need a brush to get inside of areas, but a damp cloth should be good enough for removing all the dust. Again, handle this carefully. What you do not want to do is obviously drop it. I'm going to go over this one more time with my damp cloth just to wipe off any dust that might have been kicked up by using a nylon brush. It says apply 10 to 15 sprays onto the hot wire or hot plate. Do not contact hot wire with straw or other object. Be sure to spray all sides of the mass airflow sensor and clean all wires and connectors. So I am wearing rubber gloves and I am wearing safety glasses. Can's about half gone. Okay, I'm gonna let, well, I still have a little bit left. I said I was gonna use it all, so I'm gonna use it all. Alright, I've cleaned the mass airflow sensor. I just wiped everything down here before I put it back in. Now to assemble everything, I mounted the airbox and I mounted this hose here. Now I'm going to put the mass airflow sensor in. Fasten the clip. Fasten the connector. And tighten the hose clamps.